Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. And you guys know I am currently at my local Joann's, so I'm gonna run in and see what the sale is. So join me. Let's go ahead and get into it now. Hey you guys, okay, so I'm in Joann's now, and the pattern sales this week in stores only at Joann is Butterick for $2.99 and Vogue for $5.99. So let's go ahead and scroll around Joann's real quick and see what they have on sale. That may be a good deal. Let's go ahead and go now. So right now it looks like we have our knits on sale for 30% off. As you can see right behind me, you got knits on both sides. This one right here is actually a Casa linen that is on sale for 30% off as well. We have a lot of fabrics going on right now, so I actually want to see what else is going on in the knits, because that was the rayon chalets and Casa linen, or you could say crepeback satin as well. So let's go ahead and see what else I can find. So let's go ahead and talk about this denim, because I know everybody's in their Cowboy Carter phase, aka denim on denim, and it is currently 30% off. If you are looking for denim, 30% off. So run to Joann's, get you some denim for 30% off. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the next sale. Oh, one other thing that I want to mention is, if you did not see that right there? Glitter bug. Just so you can see that. Glitter bug. Or I'm gonna say that you could get all of these nice lovely holiday fabrics right here at 50% off. So make sure you get your holiday fabric very early. Let's get into some other sales. So you guys, I'm back in the car. It is hot. But no one told me, and I did not get that memo, that it goes down in Joann's on Wednesday. It's a lot of people in there right now, and woo, I could not do a lot of filming in there simply because it's a lot of people in there, and I didn't want to put a lot of people in my video. Y'all know how I do. But let's go ahead and get over to the other sales that's happening, going on right now. Let's go ahead and get into it now. All right, so let's go ahead and get into simplicity.com sales. So as of the recording of this video, it is October 23rd, Wednesday. And to date only, they have the vintage pattern starting at $3.99. So as of the recording of this video, it's going on today, but I'm not sure if when you are looking at this video, Thursday, October the 24th, if this vintage sale will still be on, if Simplicity decide to extend it, because I'm not understanding why one day only sells. Okay, I can understand 2 days, but one day, everyone don't go to the website like I do, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, moving over to the vintage patterns from simplicity.com. I like a few of them. So at the very top, it shows a couple of vintage patterns, and I am game on for Vogue 1966. I want to make this pattern. I'm hoping to be able to make it in the month of November for Martika J Makes challenge hashtag so blue 2024. I think that's the hashtag, where you are sewing up a blue outfit to support diabetes awareness, our National Diabetes Awareness Month. So I think I want to do that for that, you know, sew up the whole set in blue. And plus it'll be used towards my blue sport. But you know, you could get that DVF pattern 20 Vogue 2081 right here. I am interested in this Butterick pattern right here, which is the 1960s vest pattern, Butterick 7018. I mentioned that when I did the drop of the Butterick fall, winter patterns or whatnot. I am interested in that pattern as well. They have quite a bit of patterns that I would be looking into. Now, I'm not buying any patterns right now. If I was to buy any patterns right now, I could only see really buying one pattern, and that would be the best pattern, but I just want to wait until all of the Butterick patterns are on sale on simplicity.com to get them in PDF. It just doesn't scream buy me right this moment, because I want to get them all at once. All right. Another pattern that I would be interested in getting would definitely be this Vogue 2062 pattern right here, which is a jumpsuit, but it's not screaming for me to buy it right this second. All right. But that is the Vogue patterns that you could get. Make sure you head over to simplicity.com and check out the vintage patterns that you can get. Now, these are once again vintage patterns for $3.99. So no matter what the brand is, Simplicity, McCall's, Butterick, Vogue, Nomi. Nomi doesn't have any vintage, but anyway, no matter what brand, it is all on the vintage patterns only, paper or PDF. All right. So let's go ahead and get into VIKISEW. So on VIKISEW's website, once again, VIKISEW is doing the free online webinar. It's Enhance Your Inner Fashion Designer, 3 Steps to a Masterpiece Garment. This starts October the 26th, which is Saturday. If you are in the United States, you could join that free webinar at 10 a.m. London time. Our British Standard Time is at 3 p.m. All right. So they have that going on, and what you will get in this one is you get a free gift just for attending, which is the Mavia pattern and the Mavia pattern hacking guide, as well as your gifts for just attending the course. Now, all webinars participants will get the gift, which you will also receive creating a flat sketch lessons for free, a chance to win a free entry to the course as well. So you can sign up right there. Once again, our webinar host will be Olga. She is a VIKISEW's product manager. And I took the course, one of the previous courses when they first started doing like the fundamentals of fitting, I think is what it was. It was a free course. I was there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And Olga was the instructor for that one. So it's a good, sit through just to be 100% honest. I like VIKISEW patterns, but if you are nervous about VIKISEW patterns, that is your time to ask those questions as well. All right. So that's what's going on VIKISEW's website, vikisews.com. Now let's go ahead and get over to VIKISEW patterns on Etsy. So VIKISEW patterns on Etsy is running a 70% off sale, and they've been running a 70% off sale for a hot minute. I want to say about 2-3 weeks now, but it's not all the time. So you have to go and check it out. Now, I am definitely interested in a couple of patterns, and the pattern range from $5.79 on the low end all the way up to about $6.38, $7 on the higher end. All right. But it's still lower than what VIKISEW's website is offering. All right. Now, one of the patterns that I am interested in right now is the Kindle top. Now, when I looked on vikisews.com, it is currently $8. But this one right here is $5.79 for that. Now, I do see that it says PDF pattern plus tutorial. I don't think it's a video tutorial. I actually think that when they say tutorial, they're talking about the pattern instructions. Okay. Now, I have not purchased any of the patterns off of Etsy, just to be 100% honest, but if they offer the video lessons when it says plus tutorial, please comment and let me know if it's an actual video tutorial or if it's just the pattern instructions that walk you step by step, because I have tons of VIKISEW patterns and majority of mine are not video. They are definitely just your regular tutorial, like your pattern instructions. All right. So that's what we have going on VIKISEW's pattern on Etsy as well. So let me run all the sales back for you one more time. Joann's. At Joann's, you can get Butterick and Vogue patterns on sale this week. Butterick for $2.99. Vogue on sale for $5.99. If for some reason Simplicity decides to do another one-day sale, we don't know. As of the recording of this video right now, it is vintage patterns today only for $3.99. They may decide to extend it. We don't know. Just check simplicity.com out and see. All right. After you do that, go ahead and hit up VIKISEW.com. You could be a part of that webinar that starts Saturday, October 26th. It's Embrace Your Inner Fashion Designer, where it's 3 steps to a masterpiece garment. And you can get your free gift there as well. Lastly, head over to VIKISEW on Etsy, which is VIKISEW Patterns on Etsy, where you can score 70% off on those Etsy patterns. Some of them I do not see on the website. You have to do some searching. So I would say check both places. See if there's a pattern that's similar from the Big 5 to where you could save you some moolah, you know. So therefore, that's all the pattern sales this week. I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos of mine. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, y'all know what to do. Give your girl a like on this video, comment below to let me know what patterns you are picking up, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.